Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I'm sharing a little tips and tricks for Samsung Galaxy phone or any same brand Android phones that you have. It has to be the same brand. For today's demonstration, I will use Samsung phone, and the feature that I will be sharing to you is called Wi-Fi Direct. So what is Wi-Fi Direct? Most of you watching might know about Wi-Fi Direct, but for those that doesn't know Wi-Fi Direct, so Wi-Fi Direct is a wireless feature that lets both of your phone talks to each other without using a router or something like that. So both of your phone can actually transfer files between two phones without needing a router. So for example, if you and your friend were in a desert where there's no internet reception, Wi-Fi or whatever, and both of you would like to share video content or data or whatever, Wi-Fi Direct actually give you the ability to transfer files to one phone to another phone without needing a router, and it can transfer high-speed data at very high-speed data rate very fast. So for example, if you have a 1 GB file, it can be transferred from one phone to another phone in a few seconds or so. So it's a pretty cool technology, and I am going to show you how to enable your Samsung Galaxy phone to do the Wi-Fi Direct transfer. And if you like the video, can you do me a favor and help me smash that like button? That will really definitely support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, as you see right here, I have two Galaxy phones. On the left, I have a Galaxy S10 right here, and on the right, I have a Galaxy Note 8. And I am going to transfer this entire folder, and this folder size is 5.58 gigabytes, as you can see right here. And I'm going to do a transfer of this folder to my other Galaxy Note 8 on the right side right here. So just have to hit the share button, and then you see right here, let me focus, Wi-Fi Direct right here. You see, when I hit Wi-Fi Direct, and then on my Note 8, just have to turn on Wi-Fi, hold on to the Wi-Fi icon, and then press the Wi-Fi Direct button. And then it should show Galaxy Note 8 on my S10, and then on my Note 8 hit connect, and both phones will connect. As you can see, it says sending right now, and let me pull it down and let you see the sending data status right here. As you can see, it's pretty fast. So it's a pretty cool feature. You can instantly share a large file to your friends and stuff like that without using any kind of Wi-Fi router. It's just direct Wi-Fi connection between two phones. So as you can see right here, let's verify the data on my Galaxy Note 8. As you see, 5.58 gigabytes. And then on my Galaxy S10, it also shows 5.58 gigabytes. So everything is all transferred as soon as possible. Awesome feature. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the content, and please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. For those that doesn't know Wi-Fi Direct, so Wi-Fi Direct is a... So what is Wi-Fi Direct?
Oh, come on.